Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use vidIQ extension in Chrome. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, you need to install it. If you don't have it yet, go ahead over to the three dots right here at the top right. Now go ahead and click on extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. And here just find vidIQ. And you'll have vidIQ Vision for YouTube. Add it to Chrome or add it to Brave or whatever browser that supports extension. And then there will be a pop-up. Just click on Add, wait for it to load, and once done, refresh the YouTube app if you already have it opened. Okay, just wait for it to load. Once it loads, you'll have it right here in the left panel for daily ideas, thumbnail preview, and more tools. Right here as well at the very top, or at the top right, you'll have the search score, keyword scorecard, and some other stuffs. Okay. So for example, right here, this specific channel stats got 161.5K watch time for the last 12 months, views for the last 6 minutes, 60 minutes, and some other views. Analytics, okay? You can go ahead over to the top, click on this overview button, and then you can go ahead and filter this out. For example, lifetime, 7 days, or real time. Now, when you go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines right here at the very top, you'll see channel audit, your competitors, keywords inspector, and thumbnail preview as well. So let's say, for example, you're trying to find a topic, let's say speedrun. Hit on enter. As you can see here, speedrun's keyword score is just 55, which is a medium. The volume is high, competition is high as well. So the views per hour over time is this, all right, 733.2 thousand. Now when you go ahead and scroll down, right here in the vidIQ panel, you'll be able to see highest views, the average views, average subscribers, and top channels for the search term. Okay, so these are basically your top competitors. So when you go ahead and check the channel out, you can go ahead and click on Add Competitor or Analyze the Channel right here. Wait for it to load, and while it loads, you can go ahead and browse through the channels right here. For example, IGN. It got 19.8 million subscribers, and this video got 83 views per hour as of today. As you can see here, can you believe it? It's from 6 years ago, and it's still got 83 views per hour. This one as well for this specific title or topic. All right. So if you'll be able to see a purple icon right here or purple background text, it means it is an outlier score. So what is an outlier score? In vidIQ, this measures how significantly a video is overperforming compared to the channel's baseline view count. As you can see here, we now have our results. For example, the channel that we have just looked for earlier says here, his pillar was Minecraft challenges, narrative or personality, and abusive and creative. Now, the strategy is giving high tension, scripted but authentic game modes or manhunt, okay, these type of content. And the effectiveness for this type of content is extremely high retention and viral potential, okay? So you can just go ahead and read through everything right here, and once that's done, you should be good to go. And that is how you use vidIQ extension in Chrome. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.